Blessed he who comes in the name of the Lord. Hallelujah. God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. Whosoever believes in him shall not be perished, but have everlasting life. Hallelujah.